Thursday, February 13th. It's like 6:30 in the morning. We are heading to the bus stop. Unfortunately, I came in sick yesterday, so the plan was to walk around Nelson and get some pictures. They have this beautiful old cathedral. We're in Cathedral Park. So I don't really have much footage of Nelson. We have a long travel day. We have like six and a half hours on the bus to Greymouth. We'll get there like an hour before our train ride at 2. And then we have, I think, another 5 hours, 4 or 5 hours on the train.
An orange fire rating for Nelson and Tasman. That's very high. If you want to find out what the risk is.
We're finally out of here. The bus is supposed to leave at 7. And people show up late, so it's now 7:15 or 7:20. Goodbye, Nelson. It's been great heading out of Nelson. Low tide is happening right now, and it's a beautiful morning sunrise.
This farmland, and we get into the forestry blocks ahead of us. From Murchison, we're in a river gorge, following the Buller River through to Westport. From Westport down to Punakaiki.
So they just clear it, but then they plant right in. Everything's done on site. All the sandwiches at all the rest areas have been excellent. It's fresh, homemade, so that is very nice here. Okay, we're on this crazy road, and behind it, down the Pancake racks. It's a windy, twisty road with the I think it's Buller River. Beautiful. And Westport.
We'll be in about 50 minutes down at Punakaiki. So we're running pretty much to time. So we should get into Punakaiki.
Down Westport. We arrived in Punakaiki and we walked across the street to go check out the Pancake rocks and the blowholes. It's about a 20-minute loop. You can see here walking through the Pancake rocks that this is fascinating geology. There's plenty of signage to let you know how this was all formed. We started laughing because the sun came out and we left our glasses on the bus.
Make it on to the train this afternoon. If you
Pretty crazy getting in here and getting checked in. So we're going to board at 1:50, I believe, and depart at 2:05. Not a whole lot here. It's kind of a one-street town. So we're looking for a sandwich shop. Because then it is Star. It's running their paper and print. Pretty cool. Carriage Echo. Alright, we made it on the train. Section E. Seats 14. We left Greymouth about 3 minutes late, which for this rail route is pretty good. We sat back and got comfortable because we had a long train ride ahead. I think it was looking at about 5 hours. They have a dining car, there's toilets. They also have these screens you can see along with some headsets, and they give you a tour so you can listen in as you travel along. They also have a viewing car so you can go outside and get some fresh air and sun and see the sights, take pictures. 8 kilometers long. And we're also heading up. Already pulling into Arthur's Pass. Alright, we just left Arthur's Pass. Get ready to go through the Southern Alps. Okay, we're entering Springfield. We departed Springfield and headed toward the Canterbury Plains. And I've lost my voice at this point. We're on the Canterbury Plains. We went through Springfield, Sheffield, Dorking. That's all good. We arrived into Christchurch after a really long travel day. We hit what they call the Highlands up in the Southern Alps area, and it was like 40 degrees Celsius. So the train had to really slow down because of the track temperature. So we ended up on the train for, I don't know, 6.5 hours. Here's some pictures that didn't make the video, but I thought you'd enjoy seeing. The TranzAlpine Express for us was a splurge. It's really expensive to take, but as you can see, sometimes it's just well worth it.